Hello, welcome to John's Kitchen. Today I'm going to do a sweet chili fish. First of all, I'm going to slice up a piece of garlic. Now pierce it. I'm using trout, by the way. Trout fish. So pierce it and then impregnate the fish with a slice of garlic. So this is another simple, easy to do dish. And I'm going to sprinkle some lemon juice over it to help with the marinade. And get rid of these seeds because they're not very nice, in my opinion. Now add just a touch of soy sauce. Then I'll add also just one line, squiggy line of honey, and if you can see how much Scotch Bonnet I've sliced, layer it over, just like that, to give it the nice fiery taste. But of course you will be getting the sweetness just coming through. Okay. I'll add just a pinch of salt, just like that, and just a little basting of sesame seeds, just to cover it. And then what I will do, I'll squeeze a little bit of orange juice and get a bit of the grater of the orange zest on myself. Now put this in the fridge for 1 hour minimum, just to marinate and get the best out of the flavours. I've done one earlier today, and that's what the finished product would look like. As you can see, I did not add any oil. It's not necessary. So it's nice and well cooked. And just to taste it, excuse me. Yes, that's good. Just, if you can leave it in your oven at a gas mark 6 and cook it for argument's sake 12 minutes. Thank you. If you like what I'm doing, please leave a comment, share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you very much.